Hello and welcome to my new video. Update 6 came update 6 came out like 1 or 2 days ago. So they updated a lot of stuff in the game. And today I'm gonna redo one of my videos about the buttons and how to make a black hole in the new update. Before I start, I wanna ask, I do YouTube for fun, but I need a good free recording software because I've noticed a lot of bugs and other things in the recordings I made in the old videos. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. But let's start with the video. To get a black hole, it's almost the same, but they move the lasers. To start a laser, you first push this handle, make a switch between heating and cooling, and now we want to get it to between 6000 and 7500. So I'm setting them all to heat. And you can also set them to 2 to make them stronger. In the meanwhile, you can prepare these buttons after you start the core and everything. You need to get this one to 400 and this one to 1750, that's the max. Oh, I see the cores at heat. So you switch these two buttons around. Okay, mine is a little bit over 7500, but it doesn't matter until you reach 8000. So for now it's alright. If you want to, you can turn off all the lasers, but I keep them on for now. You also need these at 400 and 700 and 1750, otherwise the temperature will not stabilize. And now we need to wait until it reaches 46 stability. Well, now we go to the next part, the panic buttons slash meltdown buttons. The first one is located behind the control panel over here. The next one, if you go down here, downstairs, there's one here. The next one is over here now, in the cafeteria. The next one is over here in the turbine area. Under the turbine area, I have to say. And the next one is in the turbine area. Here. And the last one, I will reset for that, is in the pump station. So where you start the core. Now where you start the core. Where you need to go before you start the core. Here. Yeah, now we sit and wait. Okay, I had a little error with the with Xbox Game Bar, but the destabilization started, so Black Hole will form soon, and you all will get to see it. Okay, it happened again. But don't worry, it will not happen again. As I said, I need a new recording software, and suggestions free please in the comments. See, here you go. Black hole has started. If you like the video, if you like update 6 of this game, I would appreciate if you at least leave a like, don't subscribe or anything. The old video will get deleted in about 3 days. And thank you all for watching.